Mastering quick decisions, the fastest finger first, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not only popular in game shows but also offers a rich lesson in English language and culture. Fastest finger first. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Fastest finger first is a phrase that captures the essence of quick reaction times and the importance of being the first to respond in competitive situations. Originating from quiz shows and competitive environments, this phrase emphasizes the need for speed and accuracy in pressing a buzzer or answering a question before anyone else does. It's a test of not just knowledge, but also how swiftly you can act on that knowledge. This catchy phrase has its roots in television quiz shows, where participants must press a buzzer the fastest to get the chance to answer a question. Over time, fastest finger first has transcended its literal context to be used metaphorically in various aspects of life, symbolizing the importance of being quick and proactive in seizing opportunities, whether in business, sports, or everyday decisions. While the phrase might seem specific to game shows, its application in real life is broad. Fastest finger first teaches us the value of readiness and quick action. Whether you're the first to raise your hand in class, the quickest to spot an opportunity, or simply the first to make a move towards a goal, embodying the spirit of this phrase can set you apart in a competitive world. Let's look at some examples of how fastest finger first might be used outside a game show. In a business meeting, where making a quick decision can secure a deal. During sports, where athletes must react swiftly to win. In everyday situations, like being the first to answer a call to action. We hope this exploration of fastest finger first has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to think about how speed, combined with accuracy, plays a vital role in achieving success. Remember, in many aspects of life, being the fastest to act can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay quick, stay curious,